RV internet, one of the most asked questions that we get. We do new videos every year because technology is always changing. We have a new motorhome this year. So the setup that we had for Nelly, we do not have on Stella. It's a similar setup, but this speeds are amazing. We were just commenting, we uploaded a video and it's 2 minutes left. It's been about 5 minutes. That's kind of unheard of for a 4K, probably 10 gig video. We're gonna bring you details of what we have on this coach, how we set it up, how you can get this same setup. Here's a little clue. The download and upload speeds are faster than our Starlink. So that's pretty awesome. We want to share it with you. Before we do that, make sure subscribe notification bell is on because we do a lot of DIYs, a lot of product reviews, a lot of travels. You don't want to miss out on those videos, especially the tech ones like this, because internet is so important to so many people. Now, we did a full video explaining all different options of getting internet. We'll link that one up above. We don't need to get into that. We're going to just strictly product review our current setup. So let's go into the bathroom. I just set this up right before we left, and it's a pretty impressive one. So where this is set up, we're going to show you. I'm not going to take it off the wall because it's in there pretty tight. But here's our setup, guys. This is our 5G LTE router. This is through Chester Tech Repair, our friend Alfredo up in Chester, New York. If you've been watching our channel, many of you know about Alfredo. He's helped many of you. Actually, when we were in Maine, our neighbors to the left of us, they came up to us and they knew who we were, and they said, we want to thank you for setting up with the Chester Cheetah. That's what we've been using. They were actually, I think, from Arizona, and they said they absolutely love it. This one is very similar to the Cheetah. This is the Chester. This is the main event. Internals are the same, a couple little differences, but the big one is that this is about half the size. So you can see how tiny this is. I'm going to measure it for you right now. It's 7 inches in length, as you can see. It is 5 inches in width and is about 1 inch in thickness. And as a reference point, so here's my iPhone 16 Pro. I just want to put it right corner to corner so you see it's slightly larger than the iPhone 16 Pro. What's nice about this unit also is a dual SIM unit, so you can have it set up to either default to one or kind of auto change back and forth. Right now, we're now testing the T-Mobile network. It's pretty good. It's actually very good. Faster than our Starlink. This does have dual Wi-Fi 6 Wi-Fi, so really good signal outside, inside, front of the coach, back of the coach. We have full bars with our Wi-Fi. This is also a 4x4 MIMO. It has 4 5G antennas. If you look, if you want to come in here, hon, if you look how we have this run, these cables right here are coming down from our roof. On our roof, we have a Parsec Technologies Husky antenna. But what are the results on this? I want to read you some of the specs about this, and then I'm going to show you some real world results because that's all you really care about. Let's get a little off topic for a minute. We're going to talk about poop versus internet. And the sponsor of this video is going to be Liquefied. Liquefied is a RV enzyme-based black tank treatment and is what we use exclusively on our motorhome. As you can see here, we have the whole array of liquefied stuff, hashtag stuff. We really do like the tangerine liquid, but if you don't like that, they also have the pods, the little drop-in pods. They have toilet bowl cleaner, which we use all the time. They also have the gray tank treatment, which is what we put down our sink, because the gray tank can often be a little nasty. You just put a little bit down the sink, like that, let some water run, and it does its thing. The enzymes in Liquefied are gonna help break down either the gunk in the gray tank, or if you put it in the black tank, it's gonna help break down the material in the black tank. Simply use with the pre-measure container. We have a little bit of a bigger black tank, so we're going to put 2 ounces. It's usually 1 ounce for 40 gallons. We're going to put 2 because we have a bigger tank, and it smells. I wish you could smell it. It smells amazing. It smells delicious. Yeah, we're going to just hit that, let it flush, let it do its thing, and then when we dump our tank, everything's going to be liquefied. We did a full video on that, and the results, we'll link it up above. There it goes. If you go to liquefiedrv.com, use the discount code
Endless RVing.
You will get 24% off of your purchase. Now, if you don't want to go there, you can go to Amazon.com. You can go to any Walmart. You can go to Camping World. You won't get the discount, but you can get the product there. If you want more information on Liquefied, we'll put their link down below. Again, liquefiedrv.com. We want to thank them for sponsoring our video. Now, this comes in two different options that you can get. You can get it with the Qualcomm Snapdragon X75. It's going to be the more expensive one, the faster one. That's what we have in there. We'll do the live speed test for you. You can also get it with the Qualcomm SDX62. It's going to be a little bit slower, but not much slower, and it's going to save you a significant amount of money. These will run on all different plans, so T-Mobile Home Internet, T-Mobile Phone and Tab Plan, AT&T FirstNet, Verizon Phone, Verizon Home, Walmart plans such as Straight Talk, Metro, T-Mobile Phone, tablet plans, and any other unlimited data plans. You pop your SIM card in there, and it just works. Now, if you want to buy data plans from Alfredo, he has those also. I believe they start at $100 a month, but you don't have to get it from him. And that's why we've been using him for years now, especially after that Nomad debacle. We just got away from companies that you have to buy the router from them, actually rent the router from them, and then they supply the plan. We buy the router, we own this router, we put our own plan in it. If you don't want to do that, you can get the plan from him. That's up to you, but you still own the router. We'll put all the specs down below, but you can, of course, set up a VPN on here. It does have WAN and LAN ports. Wi-Fi 6 is available. You can hook this up as to a wall 110 outlet. Let's go back and show you how I have it hooked up to DC. So this will come standard with a 110 outlet. You can plug it in. This runs 12 volt DC. I do have it set up on our 12 volt here. So you can see the power right here is just tapped in over here, going into an inline fuse, a 10 amp. And then this is a step down to make sure it's only going to be 12 volts. It's going to bring it down to 5 amps. Then the power goes into there. And then over here, you see you have your SMA cables. That's your external antenna. External antenna is on top of a junction box. We ran it down the hole where the wires for our solar panels run through. If you didn't miss that video on our solar setup, we'll link it up above, but simply that antenna is right on top of the box. There's a hole drilled out, wires run down. It is siliconed on there and also has that waterproof tape, so we've had no problems with that. Before we get to the speeds, most importantly, the big thing with Chester Tech Repair is the one-on-one service. So Alfredo, this is what he does. This is his job. Deals with a lot of RVers. If you have a budget, if you want to pay this price, they have routers for $200 all the way up to if you want to spend $700. It really depends where you're at, what you want. You want external antenna, you don't. You want paddles. This comes with paddle antennas. But you call him up, tell him you saw him on our channel because we do have a discount. We'll put it in the link below. And he's going to set you up. He's very familiar with RVers and the RV lifestyle and what RVers want and what they need. This is also available on the 2.4 gigahertz and 5.8. We're going to do a live test right now. And I always like to do the live test because there's a lot of companies out there, many of them, that promise speeds. They never show actual speed tests. We're showing actual speed tests currently on our motorhome. So we're connected to the Starlink Sucks 5.8, as you can see. The 5.8 would almost always be faster. Now we do have Starlink also. We don't even need it here. We've actually haven't been using it that much. We really only use it where there's no cell service, but that's not too many areas. So I'm hooked up to the Starlink Sucks 5.8. Starlink's great. Let's go to our speed test. T-Mobile network, you can see we're on the Wi-Fi. We have full signal. This phone is on AT&T, so AT&T is only 2 bars. I don't know what T-Mobile is, but I don't think it's full because it would be a lot faster. So you see we're on T-Mobile. Let's hit go, and let's do our live speed test. And I'll show you some of the other results because you will get various different speeds. But you can see we are close to 200. We're over 200. 218, 217, 220. So this is faster than Starlink. Right there, it's faster. This is 100% faster than Starlink. That upload speed for us as content creators, that's huge. That's the speed we need to put videos up to the internet. That's the speed you need for most people. If you want to download, you want to stream, you want to download. But if you're a content creator and you're looking or you're looking to push data up, Starlink can't give you this. It's right there. It's live. This is the real deal. When we have full signal, I've gotten over 400 down on here. I don't even think I've been on T-Mobile's full like 5G because we don't go to big cities. But this is extremely impressive. If you want to talk about the price on this particular setup, the one we have here, $625, but you get $50 off if you use our discount code. We kept this short and sweet, guys, because you only care about speeds. Very easy to set up, one-on-one support, excellent. We've been working with him for 3 years. Many of our subscribers have bought this router. This is what we have on board. In the comments below, let us know, what do you think about this? What's your internet setup? Did we convince you to ditch your current setup and go with the big dogs, right? The main event. If you like videos like this, to the left of us, we'll put our RV DIY playlist. We'll also put our RV Essential Upgrades playlist. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.